What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk about getting yourself set up financially so that one day you could retire and you could start heading your life in the right direction financially. I was recently talking to a buddy of mine, and he was asking me how can he start preparing for retirement because his job doesn't offer a pension or anything like that. So I thought that was a pretty good question. I want to share it with you today. And for those of you that don't know, my name is Jonathan Smith, and I'm a California licensed real estate broker. Okay, so this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial planner, but I'm going to give you the basic framework on what to do to start preparing and getting yourself closer and closer towards financial independence. So it's actually really simple, but that doesn't mean it's easy. There's basically three things you can do to get set up for financial independence. You have to increase your income. You can go out, get a skill, get a degree, get a certificate, ask for a raise, get a promotion, get a second job, a side hustle, whatever you want to call it, and increase your income coming in. The bigger the shovel, the faster it is to dig a hole, right? The second thing is going to be you want to focus on reducing your expenses. So maybe you could do things like refinancing a house and auto loan to a lower rate, to be able to save more money per month. You could look at things like paying off credit card debt so you have a lower interest rate going towards credit card debt or other debts. You could do things like negotiating your insurance, reducing your lattes, or whatever it is, but you're looking for ways to reduce your spending. And three, you're going to want to smartly invest the difference between those two. So as you're increasing your income, you're decreasing your expenses, and what's left in the middle is called the gap, and you're going to want to invest that. Now, a really easy way to do that is through a exchange traded fund, an ETF. And basically what that does is it mimics the market and gets you diversified across all different classes of stock or whatever. You're not going out there and picking stock. You're just investing in a fund. The one that I prefer is called VTI, and that's Vanguard Total Market Index. You can go to Vanguard.com, sign up on their website, and start investing every month. Maybe you just start with 50 bucks. But the nice thing is you need to start getting into the habit of saving and investing, and then that'll lead you to be able to make bigger and better decisions later on. Maybe right now it's 50 bucks a month. Maybe a year from now it's 500 bucks a month, and that will really start to skyrocket your success. And you could use all these same principles to eventually invest in real estate as well, because you're going to have to start with that same habit of making more money and spending less and having that extra cash to put into investments, whether it's real estate, stock market, Bitcoin, whatever your flavor is. But that is the basic way that you're going to get to financial independence without going into all the specific different accounts and things like that. I hope that helped. Go ahead and like and subscribe down below, and I'm going to bring you more valuable content coming soon.